campers. Home time is over. It's time for us to get our next load. Unfortunately, once again, not getting a load out of the place where we dropped my empty trailer. So we gotta go in. We gotta go in, get an empty trailer, and then head down to Smithfield, Virginia once again. We picked up there not too terribly long ago. It is time for a repeat performance, but we need a trailer to bring them. So, because we have to drop an empty at this place to pick up a loaded. So we need to get an empty. So let's get an empty. So since I dropped an empty at this Tyson plant when I came home, they'll have an extra trailer I can take now, since they didn't have a loaded one for me. So if I just go bobtail to my next customer, then poor Tyson here will be stuck with an extra trailer, more than their amount that they normally need, and Smithfield will be short one. So we have to, in order to keep all the customers balanced, we have to come back and take a trailer from the place we left one. So signal right, let the folks behind me know I'm about to slow way the heck down. Turn lane. Hey, they fixed their gate finally! Good for them! That thing's been broken for ages. This is my favorite part of crossing Interstate 295. This is the Varina Eaton Bridge, a suspension bridge over the James River on Interstate 295. Very tall bridge, over 300 feet above the water. It's awesome. A little bit windy up here, so I'm going kind of slow, but still, I love going over that bridge. Marvel of engineering. I think the third tallest bridge in Virginia. Here we are in Chesterfield County. This is kind of like my home county, but my hometown's not technically part of Chesterfield. It used to be, and then Virginia has independent cities. So once my town got big enough, they just went and did their own thing. So, yeah. We're not part of Chesterfield, but we used to be, so I kind of feel like...
exit 15A for Virginia 10 East toward Hopewell.
Kind of feel like Chesterfield's almost home, you know? Alright, so we're going to hop on Route 10 down through the city of Hopewell, and then we'll continue east to Smithfield, just like last time. Alright, welcome to downtown Hopewell, Virginia. Through traffic, use right lane. Okay. They just made me get in the left lane a minute ago, and now they want me in the right lane. That's fine. I don't mind. It feels really weird to be driving a truck through Hopewell. It's like this is historic downtown city. Historic district of a city that I've been to so many times, and my brain's just like, no, this isn't a truck route, this isn't a trucking place, this is, if anything, this is one of the places I used to drive my scooter all the time when I drove a scooter. I like the place where I play Magic the Gathering is up here and whatnot, under the tracks. Public scales, neat. Guess this is a truck route after all. just felt super weird to drive a truck through there. It's just one of those things. Like I haven't done a whole lot of truck driving around my hometown. So occasionally I hit places where it's like I've never driven a large vehicle through these streets. And it just kind of hits me. It's very cool. It's very cool. I really love doing this, but it's definitely strange sometimes. The buzzards are circling, and you know what that means. That means we're at the slaughterhouse. I'm highly amused that there's a slaughterhouse on Virginia Route 666, which is this road here. This is apparently Virginia 666. So it's kind of like pig hell, I guess, which amuses me. It's easy for me to joke about that sort of thing, being an atheist myself, but you know. Some people really do freak out about those numbers, so I'm not really surprised that there's no move buzzards, move buzzard, move buzzard, move buzzard, buzzard,
your destination will be on the left.
Thank you. I'm not terribly surprised there's no signage indicating that this is Virginia 666, because I'm sure it would get stolen quite often. Alright, here we are. There's also a cemetery on Virginia 666.
Your destination is on the left.
Nice. Very nice. And stop. We have ourselves a loaded trailer. We're heading south on US 258 right now. We're going to pick up Highway 460 and get up towards Disputanta, get the trailer weighed. I finally found the scale at that customer, and it was very, very wrong, so we did not use it. I mean, I tried to use it, and the weight just kept dropping the whole time I was on the scale, and it's like, that's not normal. That is definitely not normal. The weight should not just start dropping like that. So we are not going to be using the weights that gave us. We're going to go and use cat scale. Hope for sheriff. I don't think that'll end well. And he's going to want to wear white, and so everyone's going to see him coming. And I don't think you're going to get him to wear the funny hat, because he's already got a funny hat. He's got lots of funny hats. I don't think you're going to get the Pope to squeeze into a sheriff's uniform. So I'd like to see you try. I would. I truly would. That would be amusing. Okay, give me third gear. Axles on the scale. Drive axles are on a separate platform. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Weigh my truck.
Should be good, man.
Thank you. This is cool. This is cool.
Keep right to stay on I-295 north.
Can do.
Continue on I-295 north for 11 miles.
So normally, if I was going north from 460 to go to 64 west, I'd have gone to Route 288. I'd basically just go to 95 and then go to 288. That was my Snoopy hitting the windshield. He's not supposed to hang that freely. Yeah, normally I'd go to 95 295, then up to 288, then up to 64. But Google tipped us off that 288's not in great shape today. What with all the holiday travelers, suggested 295 would be the much better option today. Actually, no, Google wanted me to just drive through downtown Richmond on 95 and get on 64. But then I got on 295 and it was like, oh yeah, no, you're right, this is better. Instantly adapted. And so we're right at the 295-95 north interchange. That's 95 above us. I think. Yeah, that was 95. That's 95 below us. Okay, I'm confused. And this is Route 1 up here. Okay, yep, got it, figured it out. Everything's fine. Yeah, we just grazed a thunderstorm there. Nice heavy downpour. Maxwell is looking cleaner than ever now. That very effectively scrubbed all the bugs off of my rear view mirrors. My wing mirrors, I should say. I'm in a semi-truck. I don't have rear view mirrors. I have 2 wing mirrors and 2 nose mirrors. And the backs of my wing mirrors were covered in bugs from just driving around Virginia for the last few days. And so those are gone. That's cool. That's, you know, Mother Nature's way of dealing with that issue. Go wide. All right. Different. Neat! They built a new truck entrance. That's kind of cool. Is this now the truck exit too? I think it might be. Oh, this is steep. This is very steep. I don't think I like this actually. Yeah, that's not comfortable. Alright. Oh, the shop is not only finished, the shop is open and working. That's impressive. That's really cool. Well, dang, they've done some good work here since the last time we were here. Alright, let's find ourselves a nice easy spot on the back row. As I like. Do we want to park next to the Tribe Reefer? Now you see, I'd want to park over in the corner. But there's a bunch of Tribe ads back there, so I guess we're parking next to Tribe. Someone else later on will get an easier spot than me, like maybe going across from us or that pull through directly in front of us. That sort of thing. Alright. Also, by parking on this back row, that puts our tails in the woods and we're not butt to butt with another truck, so I don't have to close the tails, which is always a good thing, because I sometimes forget to open them again. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Eliodare. Engine off. AzerAngel17 on Twitter, Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Twitter is at Eliodare without the apostrophe. So if you drop in and say hi on there, I am there all the time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.